In the warm glow of morning sunlight, Mouse stumbled upon a dusty secret that promised grand adventures. Determination etched on his small face, Mouse's whiskers twitched with anticipation as he followed the mysterious map's winding path. Gravity pulled him down, down, into a realm of luminescent wonders, where the air hummed with secrets and shadows danced in the corners. Shadows flickered as Mouse and his newfound companions gathered, united in purpose, against the shadowy figures who hungered for the crystal's enchanting glow. With agile movements and quick thinking, the trio of unlikely allies devised cunning traps to thwart the rats' every devious move. Through trials that tested every fiber of their beings, the companions stood shoulder to shoulder, their spirits intertwined in unbreakable unity. The light of freedom beckoned as Mouse and his companions surfaced, their hearts full of triumph and the knowledge that true treasure lay not in riches, but in the bonds of friendship. In the gentle embrace of the sun's rays, they stood as testament to the unbreakable power of courage, companionship, and the enduring magic of the journey taken together. And so, hand in hand, whisker to whisker, they ventured forth into the world, ready to embrace whatever adventures lay ahead, knowing that together, they were unstoppable. The moral of the story is that true treasure lies not in material wealth or fleeting glories, but in the bonds of friendship and the shared experiences that enrich our lives. Through courage, companionship, and unity, individuals can overcome even the most daunting challenges and emerge stronger together. The journey itself, with its trials and triumphs, holds the greatest value, teaching us that the enduring magic of camaraderie and solidarity transcends any treasure or adversity.